Alright, I got these One Piece card. Shout out to my cousin, he got me these One Piece cards. We're gonna check these out. Got the Japanese ones, I guess, because this is how we looking like. Alright. Alright, we got a lot to cover right now, guys. See how this one goes. So we're gonna start with this one. First time doing these type of things. But I guess I'm turning the light. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, we got Law? Nice. Oh, my boy. That's my boy right there. Oh. Okay. Oh, this one looks nice. This from the... Yeah, that's from the film Red, I believe. We got Brooke. Oh, this one looks cool. Nice. Alright, let's get the next one. Let's get this one going. Okay. Haha. Foxy and Luffy, Afro Luffy. Nice, nice, nice. Dressrosa. Oh, Young Rayleigh. Ooh, that's a nice Law card. This one looks nice. Law is one of my favorite characters. He's dope. Ooh, another one of these. Luffy doing the jump rope on Kaido in the post fight of the fight of Wano. Shirahoshi. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, let's do this one. Oh, I still have my friends. Kuma. Hey, that boy. Lucci. Oh, Rebecca. I'm using this selfie stick, so I can't really see that good while I'm recording at the same time. RIP to Sanji's mom. This dude. Nice. Alright, let's keep going. We got homie. Forgot his name. Eminem. Who's this? Oh, it's from the video game. What? I never played that one. I have it, but I haven't played it yet. That Nami with the Sanji body. Oh, this one looks clean. White beard. Nice. Oh, Carrot. Luffy. Oh, this one looks nice. Kid Luffy. Oh, wait. What's this? Oh, pizza. I just ate that right now. Nice. Still got a long way to go, guys. Got Robin, Jinbei, the guy. I forgot his name. This dude again, Carrot again, and her form. Ooh, Doflamingo. Nice. We got, oh, okay. Oh, nice. You got a Gear 5 Luffy. Oh, this one looks tough. This is Rayleigh, okay. Oh, nice. We got Caesar. I forgot some of the characters' name, guys. It's been a while since I seen them on screen. We got this dude. I forgot his name. Robin, nice. Ooh, is this Blackbeard? Nice. This dude, I don't know his name. Oh, my boy, my goat. Renorazoro. Oh yeah, this dude, he's with Blackbeard. Oh, nice. Boa Hancock. And we, oh no. We got Big Mom in her skinny form. I hate Big Mom. She's annoying. Oh, the Sanji card looks super nice though. Nice, dude. Oh, okay. Okay. We gotta keep going, guys. We gotta keep going. Oh, this is Law right here. Getting attacked. Might have been with the fight with Big Mom. Oh, okay. This one is Boa. Oh, nice. We got Katakuri. Katakuri. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot his name. And we got Shanks. Oh, Kid Ace. Kid Ace. In the cut. We got Buggy. Nice. The Cross Guild. We got this guy again. I forgot his name. Oh, Bonnie. This one looks nice. Hey, we got what's his name? Berto or something like that. Yeah, let's go. And then we got Shanks. Ooh, hockey coming out. His Bluetooth Wi-Fi hockey leaking out. Oh god. That one came out crazy. Let's go. Mary Jo Boys. We got Berthold. We got Nami in her Wano outfit. That is the base of the revolution. That was before they got captured, or well, not captured, but Blackbeard pulled up or whatever. They found their spot. Got Blackbeard, I believe. Ooh, Frankie, nice looking super. Ooh, we got Dragon. Okay, this one looks nice. Then we got a cool Sanji right here. Let's go. Then we got Homeboy again. Apu. Let's go. Ooh, nice. The Luffy Snake. I believe that was the either Snake Man or Bounce Man. I don't remember, but when the arm stretches, trying to catch his opponents, what he did to Doffy. Oh, okay, Sanji's siblings. Oh, my boy Ace. R.I.P. my boy. Another one of my favorite characters. We got Homegirl. We got him again. Homegirl from Blackbeard's crew. Ooh, nice. Lucci versus Luffy. Ooh, we got Crocodile with Buggy on this with the head. Nice. The card looking shiny. We got the people from Law's crew looking shiny. We got another one of the hideout of the Revolutionary Army. And we got this. I don't know what this is, but it's a plus 1,000. Plus 1,000 points or something. Now this is the last one. But yeah, man, I mean, I'm excited to open these. This is pretty cool. I don't know nothing about the card games. Know what I'm saying? So this was a gift, like I said. Shout out to my cousin. I love One Piece. Hey, Kid Sabo, nice. We got Luffy. Oh, we got this dude. I forgot his name. More of him. Oh my gosh, I'm getting a lot of him. Oh, nice. Got a cool Shanks, another Shanks, and then we got a Jinbei. This is before all that stuff happened. Yeah, there's a young Jinbei. We got another one of these, and then this is gotta be from Kobe, from his Honesty Impact or whatever it was. Gots to be. But yeah, guys, I got all these right here. It's crazy. Not only that, my cousin also got me these. I got 2 of these bad boys as well. Oh my gosh, the reflection. But yeah, just wanted to show that and also post a video because, you know what I'm saying, I've never done these type of One Piece card type of videos, so Yeah, it's my first time doing these. Sorry about the mess. Don't mean no disrespect, but yeah, cool. We out.